In this tutorial video, we're going to focus on how we can assess the availability of our studio resources that may be enabled at your academy. Resources at your academy are facilities which are limited to single use by a coach and student. And these may be a swing studio, putting lab facility, or an alternative or secondary swing studio facility. We can assess the availability of one of these resources in a couple of different ways. Firstly, by navigating to the Book a Lesson tab, we can choose the relevant program filter that relates to our resource. In this example, let's choose Demo One-to-One Studio Pop-Up. As we want to assess the availability of the studio, we're going to click Yes at this stage. We now need to choose the duration and navigate to the day where you want to assess the studio availability. We'll now be presented with a list view of lesson times that are available within the coach's schedule and cross-referenced against the availability of the studio. So as we navigate down this list view, these are at half-an-hour durations, and we can see that there is a missing duration at 11:30, meaning that the studio is currently booked at this time. However, we could book a 30-minute lesson at 11 AM. If we navigate back to the duration and choose 60 minutes, and navigate to Sunday the 28th of June, we can see now that the 11 AM duration is now missing from the list view as the studio is currently being used at 11:30. Alternatively, from the home page, you can navigate to Schedule and choose Calendar and navigate to the correct day within your calendar view. Within this view, we can see our schedule availability, and we can also now see some yellow times indicating when the studio is being used. We can see here that we have a studio icon that's got a cross through it, indicating that at 11:30 the studio is being used by another coach. We can also see that it indicates, if enabled at your academy, that the putting lab or alternative studio is also currently being used at 12 o'clock and at 2:30. And we can therefore go ahead and either use the Book a Lesson option, or we could book directly from within the calendar view by clicking on the available green times. And as per our other tutorial videos, you can go through now the booking process of choosing the correct program category and duration.